Let's talk discounts. I don't know about you, but I love me some shopping, and I love it even better when there's discounts. So, first, let's just talk about what is a discount. So, think about you're going shopping, you're in your favorite store, and there's a sign that says 30% off, 20% off, big sale, whatever. Anytime we're taking a percentage off of an item, we have a discount. So maybe you have a coupon, right? So you have a coupon for like 20% off. That could be considered a discount. So the discount is generally applied on the original price of the item before taxes are added on. So let's go ahead and do some math. So first off, let's figure out what kind of math we need to do. So we have a couple different things. So first off, if we know the price of an item and we know the discount rate, so 20% off, 20% would be the discount rate. So to find the amount of discount, how much we're taking off that price of the item, we would multiply the rate as a decimal times the original price of the item. If we multiply those two together, we get the amount of discount. So then to move on and find the sale price of an item, we would take the original price, subtract the amount of discount, and thus sale price. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at that. So example number one, I don't know why this stuff is in green, but hey, whatever. So we've got Derek found new shoes he liked, and they were originally priced at $94.95. Then he noticed a sign that all shoes are 25% off. A discount. What is the sale price of the shoes? All right, so we're going to use those formulas that I had on that last page. There's a couple different ways you can do this, but we're, again, going to follow those formulas. So first, we're going to find the discount amount. So our discount amount is found by taking our discount percentage as a decimal, so 0.25, and then we're going to multiply by the original price of the item, which is $94.95. Now, when I multiply those two things together, I get kind of a long-winded decimal. But remember, we're talking about money, so we're going to round everything to 2 decimal places. So my discount amount to the nearest penny is $23.74. So that's the discount amount. That's the amount we're going to take off of the price of our item. So to find the sale price of the shoes, sale price, we take the original, $94.95, and we subtract the discount amount to get the new sale price of the shoes, $71.21. So at this point, you can decide, is that a price that I'm willing to pay, right? I do this all the time when I shop. I see the price of an item, I look at the discount, I do some quick math. I usually round and do it in my head, but you could pull out your cell phone and use your calculator of, okay, if it's 25% off, am I willing to spend $71 on these shoes? Maybe Derek is, maybe he's not, but that's what you want to think about. We also should think about sales tax, but that's a different video. Let's look at another example, slightly different. Lily found a dress she liked on sale for $24.70. The original price of the dress was $38. What was the discount percentage of the dress? So now we're going to use those formulas and we're going to kind of work backwards a little bit. So you'll notice if you think about those two equations, both of them had discount or the amount of discount is part of it. So let's start there. I know the amount of discount is the difference between the original price and the sale price, right? The difference between those two is the amount of discount. So let's start. I need a pen. So we have the amount of discount we can find by taking the original price minus the sale price. So I know that that discount amount is $13.30. Okay, so let's go back then and use the formula that talks about the amount of discount equals the discount rate times the original price. So that's kind of the equation we're going to use. So I know that the amount of discount is $13.30. I don't know my discount rate, so I'm going to multiply that by the original price, which is $38. So we're basically, and I'm actually going to take out that's just confusing, and let's just use a dot or even a parenthesis here. So I'm going to multiply that discount rate times 38. That's going to give me $13.30. So to solve the equation, because we have D times 38, to undo multiplication, we divide, cancels out my 38. And I now know that my discount percentage, I would take $13.30 divided by 38, and that gives me 0.35. Well, it asks for a percentage, so if I change that decimal to a percent, Lily bought this dress 35% off. And that's a few examples of playing with discounts.